Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly adjust sound and brightness on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you're looking to go ahead and adjust the sound and brightness. Well, it's rather simple, so I'm here to help. In order to adjust the sound, you see these two buttons on the left-hand side. This is going to be used to decrease the sound, and then this is going to be used to increase the sound. So very easily, you can adjust the sound no matter what game you're playing just by physically touching the upper left-hand side. Now, as far as adjusting the brightness goes, you are going to need to navigate to where it says System Settings, and then click on Screen Brightness. Now, Auto Brightness means that it's going to adjust the brightness based on your surroundings, but you can manually adjust the brightness by simply scrolling this up and down as a meter. So as you can see, I'm increasing or decreasing the brightness. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and quickly adjust the sound and brightness on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.